Hello again, my name is Craig Jackson and welcome to the NetActuate portal. Today I would like to cover how we can use ECMP with BGP Anycast to horizontally scale a POP or a location to handle increased workloads and add load balancing to a region so that you can more easily handle a large-scale attack or a sudden increase in traffic. If I click into my Anycast section and then I go into groups, I have one BGP group that I need to scale up in the Amsterdam region to handle more traffic flows coming into that POP. So if I click into the BGP group in sessions, and if we search for Amsterdam, you can see I only have one session currently available in Amsterdam, and this one compute node, ams.worker.test, is the only one going to receive traffic. And if that CPU instance gets too hot, then I'll need to horizontally scale that area so that I can handle increased workloads. So I can just add a session to the group by running down, and we will go to Amsterdam. And you can see I've already scaled that region, but I now need to provide connectivity to those backend workers. So I'll add Amsterdam, we'll go redundant sessions in IPv6 as well. And those sessions are being generated now. And I can add another session in Amsterdam for worker 3 also, and create those sessions. Once I run the BGP daemon inside those compute instances to configure these sessions, then we will have horizontally scaled that POP, which naturally gets load balanced through BGP and ECMP, and we will now be able to handle an increased workload in Amsterdam as these sessions are being built and provide connectivity to additional backend workers. Thank you.